Are you ready to unlock the hidden stories within your data and transform the way you make decisions? Today, we're diving deep into the world of Qlik Sense, a powerful business intelligence platform that's changing the game for data analysis. In the next 90 seconds, we will explore the functionalities Qlik Sense offers. At its core, Qlik Sense empowers you to explore data with unparalleled freedom. It's not just about static reports, it's about asking questions, discovering patterns, and uncovering hidden insights through self-service data discovery. Forget rigid dashboards. Qlik Sense allows you to create interactive visualizations that bring your data to life with its associative engine. Every selection you make instantly updates all related charts and graphs, revealing connections you might have otherwise missed. Qlik Sense isn't just a pretty face, it's got brains too. Its built-in AI capabilities, like the Insight Advisor, can automatically suggest relevant visualizations and even generate narratives to explain your data. Collaboration is key, and Qlik Sense makes it seamless. Share your insights with colleagues, build interactive stories together, and make data-driven decisions as a team. Access your data anytime, anywhere. Qlik Sense works seamlessly across all your devices, so you can stay informed and make decisions on the go. The benefits are clear: faster insights, better decisions, improved efficiency, and a competitive edge. Qlik Sense is more than just a tool. It's a catalyst for data literacy across your organization. So, are you ready to unlock the full potential of your data? Explore Qlik Sense and transform the way you see the world.